Switching from an Android device to a brand new iPhone can be an exciting experience. However, encountering a move to iOS low battery issue while using the app can be disheartening. Well, we shall come up with some possible reasons behind this problem and provide 9 fixes to help you overcome it. Part 1. Why low battery alert appears on move to iOS. Move to iOS is taking forever. Your phone does have a low battery and stable Wi-Fi connection. Not enough storage space on iPhone. Outdated firmware on your device. The too large size of files. The transfer is interrupted for unknown causes. Part 2. How to fix move to iOS low battery with 9 basic solutions. Solution 1. Keep your Android phone at least 20% charged. Solution 2. Check the Wi-Fi connection. Solution 3. Verify iPhone storage space. Solution 4. Disable low battery mode. Solution 5. Turn on airplane mode. Solution 6. Restart both phones. Solution 7. Check your battery health. Solution 8. Update to the latest firmware. Solution 9. Reinstall move to iOS on Android. Part 3. Try the best move to iOS alternative transfer for mobile advanced solution. Charging to max won't ensure move to iOS works smoothly. Transferring between Android and iPhone is tricky. Mobican Transfer for Mobile offers a seamless, hassle-free solution. Preserving content. How to transfer data from Android to iPhone without move to iOS via transfer for mobile. Step 1. Run the program and link your devices to your computer. Step 2. Ensure the devices are in the correct positions. Step 3. Transfer data from Android to iPhone immediately.